Hey Divi Nation, thank you for joining us for this year's Black Friday sale. This is our biggest sale of the year and the one and only time we offer 25% off both new memberships and account upgrades. It's the perfect time to become a new member or to finally take the leap and upgrade your existing account to a lifetime membership. And because this is such a special occasion, we've gone above and beyond to make sure becoming an Elegant Themes member is the best investment you make all year. In addition to getting our biggest discount of all time on Divi itself, you'll also gain access to our Black Friday perks page in the Elegant Themes members area. Here you will find even more amazing Black Friday deals from our 25 Black Friday partners with the highest percentage off deals they're offering this year. And as if all that were not enough, our design team has created exclusive thank you gifts in the form of landing page layouts, Divi theme builder template packs, a WooCommerce product layout pack, and custom Divi headers and footers, all available instantly after purchase and 100% free. To get in on all this Divi amazingness, go to elegantthemes.com/Black Friday or click the link in the video description and become a new member or upgrade your account today. If you are already a lifetime member, feel free to go straight to your members area perks page and enjoy our thank you gifts and partner discounts. In this video, we'll be highlighting our Black Friday header and footer layout pack. We'll show you how to download it and use it on your own Divi website today. So let's get started. All of the Divi header and footer layout downloads can be found in your members area. To access the downloads, you must first log into the members area with the username and password created when you signed up as a member. Once you are logged in, click the link in the members area menu called Black Friday Perks. Scroll on down to find the header and footer layout pack perk, and then click the download the pack button to get the download started. Once the zip file has been downloaded, go ahead and unzip it and open the folder. Inside there's a JSON file, a footers folder, and a headers folder. The all header and footer layouts.json file includes all the headers and footers in one layout. Importing this file to the Divi library will import all header and footer layouts at once. The footers folder includes 16 JSON files for importing a specific footer layout individually, and an additional JSON file named all footer layouts for importing all 16 footer layouts at once. The same goes for the headers folder. There are 16 JSON files to import each one individually, and then there's all header layouts.json, which will import all of them at once. With the files downloaded, it's now time to import them. Here's how to do it. From the WordPress dashboard, navigate to Divi Library. Then click the Import and Export button at the top. In the Portability pop-up modal, select the Import tab. Now choose the file. For this example, I'm just going to select all header and footer layouts.json. Now click Import Divi Builder Layouts. Once done, you should see all 16 header layouts and all 16 footer layouts imported to the Divi library. Now you can easily add them to your global website template using the Divi Theme Builder. To start, let's add a new header layout to the global header of the default website template. Here's how to do it. From the WordPress dashboard, navigate to Divi Theme Builder. Then click the Add Global Header area of the template and select Add from Library. Now select the Your Saved Layouts tab, and here we'll see a list of all the header and footer layouts we just imported. Now it's up to you to choose the header layout you want to use from the list. For me, I'm going to select number 3. While we're here, we're also going to add global footer and select Add from Library. Just like before, select Your Saved Layouts and you can choose which footer you want to apply. If I wanted to match my header, I'm going to go ahead and choose number 3. To update either the header or footer template layout, click on the edit icon on the template area you want to edit. And now we can make the necessary changes to our header or footer. And when we're done, we're just going to click the save button. And just like that, our site now has a brand new header and footer design. download all these right now by clicking the link in the description. Well, that's all for this video. Thanks for tuning in. We hope that you're enjoying our 2020 Black Friday deal and all the special prizes, bonus deals, and freebies that come with it. If you haven't taken advantage of it yet, don't wait. This deal won't last long and it will be a whole year before anything this good comes around again. Go to elegantthemes.com/Black Friday and become a new member or upgrade your account today. To make it even easier, we've put the link in the video description. Don't miss out. It really is the best investment you can make for your website this year. Thanks again. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.